Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up. Today for Appies with Chappie by the Lake, I'm making Perogy Nachos. So roll the intros to Appies with Chappie by the Lake.
Appies with Chappie by the Lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. Today I have nacho pierogies. See how I made them here. Okay, we're going to do some nacho pierogies. I already have some pre-cooked pierogies. They're potato, cheddar, and onion flavored. Frying these. So we'll let these pierogies go until they're golden brown. All right, these are golden brown. I probably let them go a little bit longer than I would have liked to, because we're still going to bake them. I'll get them on a paper towel to let the oil soak off. All right, I got my extra golden pierogies. Put some pickled jalapenos on there. And then Cracker Barrel makes a nice blend. This is a Monterey Jack, cheddar, and pizza mozzarella blend, but it's habanero flavored, so it's extra spicy. And I have tried it. It is super spicy. All right. We're just going to pop that in the oven at 350 till the cheese is all ooey and gooey. Going to transfer it over there. And then I got some fresh cilantro and green pepper. And we'll give it a little dollop of guacamole. And it kind of looks like a dog's breakfast, but I assure you it's... All right, to go with my nacho pierogies, we're going to have a drink. It's happy hour, but I'm going to make a mocktail today. I want to make an announcement. I quit drinking 5 minutes ago. That's a joke. All right, but in all seriousness, I am going to make a non-alcoholic mocktail. So I got the recipe from my bartender's guide. This is called a Cinderella. So just have a glass of ice, and it calls for a whole ounce of lemon juice, an ounce of orange juice, an ounce of pineapple juice, and then a dash of grenadine. I'm just going to substitute for the heavy syrup that comes with my maraschino cherries. And it went straight to the bottom, so we're going to get sort of like the tequila sunrise effect there. And then 2 ounces of club soda. This just happens to be lemon lime flavored club soda, but it just calls for the regular club soda. And then I have some maraschino cherries to garnish, and that is a Cinderella mocktail non-alcoholic drink to go with my nacho pierogies. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. And this is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.